The Lydian scale sounds a lot like the major scale, but with a raised 4th degree. So in order to play all white keys, we start on F and we go F to F, and that will be the Lydian scale on white keys. F major would have a B flat. So in the F Lydian scale, we have the B natural. We can make a Lydian scale going from G to G too, just to see a different example of it. And to go from G to G, G major, I'll take away these Fs. So the G major scale has an F sharp in it, right? F sharp. So that means to make the G major scale a G Lydian scale, we need to raise the 4th note, which is the C. So G Lydian has an F sharp and a C sharp.